Okay, good morning. Welcome to today's class. Last class আমি আগৰ chapter to শেষ কৰিলো. Ultimately আমি দুটা chapter শেষ কৰিলো and which is the basic chapters. দুটা first unit or দুটা chapter এ পৰীক্ষাত আহিব and we have completed the two chapters. If any doubt please ask me. আৰু very soon I'll take your orals. ঠিক আছে, oral exam বহুত সোনকালে ল'ম. তাৰপিছত today unit 2 নাহে. Unit 2 zoology আহিব কেইটামান. Unit 2 botany ekku nahe. Unit 3 the first chapter which is the cell, only the first chapter will come in exam. Okay, kunba you all have not understood the syllabus, just go with me. More pasot syllabus didim, just monot rakhiba unit 1 or 2 ta chapter hoy gol. Unit 2 chapter nahe biology, botany, and unit 3 only the first chapter will come. Okay, cell the unit of life. So definition cells we have studied in our school. So definition jodi etia diye, the cell is the structural and functional unit of life. One mark definition jodi ahe, what is cell? Ami kom cell is the structural and functional unit of life. What is the meaning of this structural and functional? Je eta organism sorilo eta horu amoeba pura amar leke ki hoy jay structure. Our whole body is made up of cells, so it makes the structure of a cell. Functional, why it is functional? Because it carries out our function. Eta cell or eta amoeba dhorila, amoeba only eta one cell thake hale. Amoeba eta one cell thake, tat nucleus thakibo, tar kisuman enege simple, sabotke simplest mode dhori loisu. So amoeba he eta one cell, eta single cell e ki koribo pare, tar structure, it made its structure also and it made its function also. So cell is the structural and functional unit of life. Into multicellular organisms and us, okay, higher organisms, what happened? The cell, eta cell, similar cells kini ki hoy jay dhorilo eta cell. Okay, after this the cells will come together, similar cells eke type of cells kini log lagi form koribo tissues. First chapter I have taught you all in the first chapter. Tissues of pa ki hoy jabo, organs banabo. Heart, kidney, lungs, silver organs banay. Ultimately organ system hobo. Organ system means all the organs in our body that are arranged in systematic manner. They are systematically arranged kora hoy ase and functions normally. Nijo eta organ or specific nijor function. Heart pumping of the blood and teneke nijor functions ase. Thik ase, organ system, or organ system about it's made into organisms. So thik ase, the cell or more structure to koi disu. So first ami cell chapter to zero cell. So we'll start with the discovery of cell. Discovery of cell. So discovery of cell was discovered by scientist Robert Hooke. Robert Hooke first cell discover korisile. Okay, he was the first to identify cell. What happened is he studied cork cells. Ki hoisile cork cells hoisile. Cork cells janai bottle bilakor dhakna thake je cork cells. If you don't know, please search it in the net. Cork cells ki hoy? Cork cells is obtained from a plant called Quercus. Thik ase, cork cells tu jeneke kat hoy tenuka cork hoy, etu kunjupa gosor pura loi Quercus namor gosojupa cork cell obtain kora hoy. So cork cells bur teo anile ani tor nijor microscope asile, teo sale je he cells kini ki hoy jay, dekhile je cells bur eneke arrange hoy ase. যেনেকে আমাৰ বডিৰ সেলছবোৰ এনেকে এৰেঞ্জ হৈ থাকে, তেনেকে তেনেকুৱা জিওমেট্ৰিক কিছুমান ফিগাৰ দেখিলে কিছুমান compactly arranged and geometrical in shape. and name them as cells. Tewe naam to dile as cells. ঠিক আছে তেও দেখিলে যে cork cells to এনেকা এটা cork cells to এনেকা কাটিলে এনেকা থাকে cork cells to anile one piece ani teo microscope তলত চালে তেতিয়া টাইমত microscope was not well developed teo তথাপিও দেখিলে যে এনেকা কিছুমান compartments আছে which are compactly arranged tightly arranged and he named them as cells kintu ebur ki hoy actually these are dead cells. These are dead cells which contain deposits of suberin. Deposits of suberin. The living cell, he did not identify living cell. He identified only dead cells. Tamne ei gojupar a cells kini ultimately dead hoy gol. Okay, dead cells. That means they are not function. Ekku function kori thwa nai. Just teneke arrange hoy ase dead cells. So living cell first kune identify korisile. Living cell discovery kune korisile. Living jodi specifically porikhat hude who discovered the living cell. Jodi specific if it is specifically mentioned about cell, who discovered cell. General jodi cell hude tomake kobo laibo it was Robert Hooke. Okay, jodi living cell boli mention kora hoy living cell first kune studied korisile was Anton von Leeuwenhoek. Okay, Anton van Leeuwenhoek first living cells to study korisile. Okay, discovery complete. Discovery we have completed. So cell was ultimately identified sobe compile je cells are compactly arranged ঠিক আছে cells or features study korile oh wait nucleus Robert Brown first discovered nucleus cells kune uliaisile cells uliaisile tumarkor Robert Hooke আৰু Robert Brown এজন বেলেগ তেওঁ সেলৰ ভিতৰত থকা নিউক্লিয়াছ he discovered nucleus. So what happened is after the discovery of cell nucleus ebu discovered হৈ গল তেতিয়া মানুহে তেতিয়া scientist দুজনে cell theory দিলে. Cell theory explained about the characteristics of a cell. Cell theory important হয় পৰীক্ষাৰ কাৰণে it is very important frequently questions আহি থাকে. So cell theory was given by two scientists named Theodor Schwann and Matthias in 1839-1840. Okay, so these two scientists, Theodor Schwann and Matthias Kalin, first gave the cell theory. Cell theory তেওঁলোকে দি থৈ গ'ল কিন্তু এই cell theory আৰু এটা new point এটা include কৰা হ'ল. So this cell theory was now known as the modern cell theory. Which we still study today. So cell theory eloke disile kintu aru eta point beleg ejon scientist he added to the cell theory. The cell theory add kora loge loge this became as modern cell theory. Agor theory part 2 ase but extra aru eta point ahi gol. So modern cell theory aru ejon scientist disile his name was Rodolph. First ami scientist dijonor naam likhilam kune kune dile Theodor Schwann, Matthias Kalin and Rodolph Virchow. Note dia ase tension noluba. So Rodolph Virchow extra eta point add kori dile. to this modern cell theory. So this became to be known as the modern cell theory. It is modern cell theory. A তিনজন scientist কি দি থৈ গল হেতু আমি স্টাডি কৰিম. So we'll name it as modern cell theory. Modern cell theory. The first point about cells is all living organisms are made up of cells and the products of cells. Yet kole all living organisms, jibur organism jibito avasthat ase, all living organisms are made up of cell. Starting from a organisms jar body okol single cell thake to multicellular jeneke us. Our body ki thibo cell. Junbur unicellular hoy, that means body okol one cell thake amoeba etu one cell hoy gol. Ar amar ki hoy jabo body is made up of cells, products of cells. Okay, ar yat likha ase in multicellular organisms jeneke amar body jot ki hoy etatke beshi cell ase are made up of large number of cells which organize themselves in various tissues and tissue system. Tamne single cell at one cell gute function koribo, kintu multicellular jeneke amar ki hoy jay cells bur ki bani jabo, tissues banibo, tissues of our organs, organ of our organ system. So first point is explained. Next, number 2 is cells are the functional unit of life. Same eke hoy functional unit. Function mane ki functions kore. A cells starting from single cell amoeba to our multicellular humans, same functions perform kore. Cells e ki functions perform kore, ki processes ki hoy thake, respiration, nutrition, excretion, etc. Tamne ebur functions ki hoy thake, cell e perform kori thake. So every cell carries all essential functions as respiration, nutrition, excretion, growth. Ukho hoisu hane ami ukho ke hoisu amar cells bu body bitor divide korise. Cells which act independently but functions as an integral part of the complete organization. Tamne ki hoi jay protekto cellor nijor functions nijor mote kori goi thake. Okay, heart e heartor kam koribo, lung e lungor kam koribo, kintu ultimately gute function to kar hoy ase body to organisms to. Thik ase, functions, all the cells function independently. Independently mane nije nijor kam kori thake. They'll function independently, but as integral part of the organism. Integral part of the organism. Okay, integral part mane protekto eta function jodi bondho hoy jay, ultimately gute body to function bondho hoy jabo. So they function as an integral part. Next, last point, jitu last point to jijon new scientist asile, ter naam asile Robert Brown. Robert Brown e modern theory disile, tamne extra point etu add kori disile je all cells arise from pre-existing cells. All cells arise from pre-existing cell. Tamne ki hoy jay pre-existing mane notun ke jibur cells bonise hebur ultimately kapa aise purana gitar pura notun kini ahise. Keneke ahise? How are the new cells formed? The new cells are formed by the division of the older cells. Okay, this was an old cell. It divided your nucleus. Ilahe ke ki hoy jabo divide koribole cells to elongate hoy jabo, your nucleus to dubhagole gusi jabo. Thus ultimately notun ke duta cells form koribo. Tamne ki new cells are produced from the pre-existing cells. Pre-existing mane jibur agor cells opra new cells are formed. So this is the modern cell theory, which is very easy and frequently comes in your exam. Next, we'll discuss about the size of a cell. Eta cell or kiki size hobo pare moi ekdom smallest pa arambo korim. Smallest cell is that of PPLO. PPLO mo kot pahaisilu. PPLO pahaisilu pleuropneumoniac like organisms in the first chapter. Okay, PPLO, or it is also known as mycoplasma, which is the smallest cell. Our your size to hoy around 0.1 micrometers. 0.1 micrometer to 0.3. Okay, the size is very small, and largest is that of an ostrich egg. Ostrich egg. Ostrich or egg to sobotke largest cell hoy. So ekinike janile hobo. Last I'll be last ami etia cells dui prakarar hobo pare. What are the two type of cells? Cells hobo pare prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. Prokaryotic mane ki, eukaryotic mane ki? Difference ki? Prokaryotic cells dui prakarar hobo pare, prokaryotic and eukaryotic. So prokaryotic cells are the cells without nucleus. Jipur ekdom asile ekdom monera protista eukaryotic. Mane prokaryotic jar nucleus nasile cellor bitorat. Kintu eukaryotic means jar cellor bitor nucleus ase. So we'll be discussing about the difference of prokaryotic and eukaryotic organisms. So we'll be discussing about the difference between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. Prokaryotic means jibu organisms are primitive, small, they lack nucleus. Nucleus na thake. Main case ki yat nucleus cellor bitor nucleus na thake, but eukaryotic possess nucleus. So differences ki lack true nucleus nai. Nucleus nai here possess true nucleus. Naked circular DNA serve as purpose of nucleus. Tamne ki etu cell dhorilo etu eta cell hoy. Okay, cell tur bitorat ami yat keneka pohi asu. Ami yat cellot ki pohi asu, eta nucleus pohi asu. Hale nucleus or bitorat chromosomes thake. Okay, this is the cell, this is the nucleus, and here is the chromosomes. Okay, so here what happened? Here etu nai. Yat jeneke cover hoye ase yat na thake. Only a single stranded DNA. Enekwa stranded naked circular DNA serve as the purpose of nucleus. Here DNA is encaged with chromosomes thake. Next, nucleus is absent. Tamne nucleus or bitorat ketiaba poroke goal structures thake, which is called as nucleolus. Nucleolus is present here, but here nucleolus is absent. Nucleus nai jete nucleolus na thakibo. Cell organelles are absent. Cell organelles mane organelles means the organelles which are present inside the cell. Cellor bitor jikhini organelles ase jane mitochondria, ribosomes pohi ahisu ekhini. He organelles kini yat prokaryotic cellot na thake, absent, and eukaryotic cells possess cell organelles. Next, they are non-sexual, mane male or female na thake beleke. So they are non-sexual. Sexual nai. Tamne ki hoy jabo dhorilo amoeba etai ki kore jab yat male female dorkar. One amoeba will divide into two. So it is non-sexual. Tamne no sexual reproduction is seen here. But here sexual. Okay, these are sexual, separate male and female organisms are present, which can perform reproduction, which is a process of giving birth to young ones. Next, cells are haploid. Haploid means half thake haploid, and cells are diploid. That means double chromosomes thake. Smaller than eukaryotes. Tamne eukaryotes ke yoti smaller and larger than prokaryotes. And etu two types of cells. The difference between, I want to give you all a homework, which is the difference between a plant cell and animal cell. Ami discuss korim. Plant cell and animal cell or difference ketaman muk likhi photo diba. So next, after that we'll study about the parts of the cell. Next class আমি cell এটাৰ ভিতৰত কি আছে, what are the parts, functions, এটা part of কি functions, organelles or key function, nucleus or key function, এইবোৰ আমি পঢ়িম next class. We come to the end of the chapter. Thank you.